And we're back, traders. Welcome to freetradingvideos.com. Man, another rocky day in the markets. Down 348 points in the Dow, right here, 348. Down 3%, S&P down 4%, Russell's down 5%. Huge, big drops, massive drops. We have a big report coming out tomorrow morning, Friday morning, the jobs report. Nothing like adding volatility to the market like that report can do. VIX today, $45. We're looking at the S&P here, and this is what we saw yesterday. A lot of support. We have this support, boom, crash right through it like a hot knife through butter. Boom. We have this support area, I guess you can call it support, but wait until this news comes out on jobs tomorrow. That should throw a wrench into things, and then on the heels of that, hopefully the House will pass this bill to get some footing under here. But my big question is this: is the bailout plan the best thing for America? Is this the best thing? We're looking at the VIX right here. I have a touch of ADD. Here's the VIX daily. I mean, look at this. We're at 45. I'm going to go to a weekly chart. Weekly. Look how high we are compared to where we were all year. Let me go to a monthly chart. This will put it in perspective for you. Monthly chart going back to 94. We've only been to these levels 2 other times during the 9/11 or 9/11, 2001, 2002, the lows right there. And check this out. Back here, 97, 98 area. Boom, boom, boom. This is since 94. Let's go back further. I mean, all the way to 1990. There's only been 3 times we've been this high. But listen, major bull rallies right after these. Look at this. So we need to be thinking this. Will we get to 50? We absolutely could if the House does not pass this bill. Now that brings me back to the question. Is this the right thing? From what I understand, what these talking heads on TV are saying, that it's not $700 billion anymore because the Senate revised it. We add some pork to it. Pork barrel. What is a pork barrel, I asked. And I did some information, found out what it is. Pork barrel. It just is it added another $1.5 billion to our $700 billion. Instead of shaving money, we actually added more money. Isn't that like handing your credit card to like a brother of yours or a sister perhaps that is down and out? They don't know how to spend their money. They don't have 2 nickels to rub together, and they're just turmoil after turmoil, financial trouble after financial trouble, and now you're going to bail them out. And how you do it is you help them get a credit card, and you give them that credit card to help lessen the pain for the immediate time. Now, what good is that going to do? We hand them a credit card, they go and pay off all their immediate debts, and everything seems better. But you still have to pay off the credit card. And having a credit card actually comes with baggage. I mean, it comes at a cost. When you use a credit card, those interest rates whack you. And to think that we're just going to be given $700 billion and that it's not going to come around and bite us somehow just seems naive to me. So anyway, my gut feeling at this moment, I'm no politician. I'm not here to talk any politics. But my gut feeling in this is let the markets bleed out. Let the markets fall. Let it do its drop, and so it could heal itself. I personally think if we come in and we just simply say, listen, here's a bailout plan, and we add that money, that we will get a pop in the markets, but it's going to be a short-lived. It's a house of cards. How long is that going to last before the markets eventually turn around and bleed itself out? All we're doing is throwing a monkey wrench into things and adding a bunch of debt, to boot. to me, it just doesn't make a lot of sense. And I'm no economist, so I can't say that I have my head completely wrapped around this. But I host and organize a large, probably one of the America's largest, one of the nation's largest stock trading clubs. We have 166 members, and we've outgrown 3 locations already. And it's very active. We have a lot of people here. And this Saturday we have a group meeting, and we're going to be doing this group meeting. And we have a professor from a very prestigious business school that'll be speaking at it, and he's going to be talking about the Fed. But this is nice where we can come in and talk about what, because Saturday, hopefully the House will have voted, by that time already, and we can really get into some deep intellectual discussion about the economy and the views and what type of ramifications and repercussions that America and maybe the global market are going to incur because of this major unprecedented move that we're about to make here in the United States. So anyway, at best, it's very interesting to see this all play out and to go down in history as either a very good or bad thing. So anyway, let's just stay tuned and keep a close eye to what's going on, and happy trading out there to everybody that's playing. Take care until next time. See you at freetradingvideos.com.